With fiber internet becoming increasingly popular, you've obviously clicked on this video because you're curious. So today we're going to talk about how fiber internet works. Fiber internet is a great product. Today we have a few different options for internet. Could be cellular, Wi-Fi, could be fiber, and it also could be coaxial. The reason fiber is better than the other products is the way it uses internet or brings internet to you very efficiently. With a fiber product, we can move ultra-fast speeds across far distances with very, very little energy. When you're looking at other products such as Wi-Fi, for example, you are limited by area, you're limited by density, materials, things that can get in the way and can cut your signal down and give you, half or less speed. So with fiber, you're getting much faster speed with lower energy usage and more efficiency versus Wi-Fi, for example. Now, if we're speaking about LTE or data, that's something that's put up by cell phone towers. And as we all know, we've used our cell phone before, there's dead signals for cell phones as well. So we're having a lot of loss in connection. With fiber, it's a dedicated cable to your house from our network with almost zero loss on your network, which gives you much faster speeds consistently and over longer distances. If we're talking about what we're all used to is coax cable or copper cable that comes to your house from normal cable providers, that product was good for its time. However, it has its inefficiencies now. It uses a lot of power, it takes a lot of nodes to work, a lot more infrastructure, and it's just not as efficient. And overall, it needs electricity to send the signal and cannot produce quite the speeds as fiber can. Fiber will always win in this product because of the direct cable with almost lossless technology and ultra-fast speeds. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned a little bit more about fiber. Click the link below to find out if Wyyerd fiber is available in your area. If this brought you any value, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.